after the completion of the topic, that is primary batteries, we are on the secondary batteries, which are chargeable batteries, and the first type of this battery is lead storage cell. So in lead storage cell, we have a plates of lead and lead oxide, in which lead is act as an anode and lead oxide will act as a cathode. At anode, oxidation will take place, and at cathode, reduction will take place. Here is a solution of dilute sulfuric acid, which will act as an electrolyte here. Okay, now the reaction on the anode and the cathode. At anode, oxidation will take place. Lead will oxidize as the lead sulfate, and 2 electrons are released, and sulfate ion coming from the electrolyte here. So SO4 minus 2 ions. Here at cathode, reduction will take place, where again lead oxide is converting into the lead sulfate, and it is going from the plus 4 oxidizing state to the plus 4 oxidizing state to the plus 2 oxidizing state by receiving 2 electron for the reduction. Okay, so here is the reaction. So lead oxide will convert into the lead sulfate after the reduction, and here oxygen is left, so it will combine with the hydrogen to form the water molecule. So here H plus ion are in the solution, so it will react with the oxygen and form 2 molecules of water, and the overall cell reaction will be Pb plus PbO2 plus 2H2SO4 give rise to 2 PbSO4 plus 2 water molecule. Okay, now these are the reactions which you have to learn carefully, and accepting the reaction, there is no issue in learning anything in the cell. Okay, so please practice this reaction of anode and cathode by writing in your rough notebook 2 or 3 times. You will use to learn it very well. Okay, now come to the fuel cell, the second type of the secondary batteries. Here is a fuel cell, because the reaction of the hydrogen and oxygen gas is explosive, because they both are the good fuel, and so what we do, do the indirect reaction between between 2 gases. So here are the electrodes made up of the carbon or graphite. They are porous, so that the gas can pass through it. And here is electrolyte, it can be of NaOH and KOH. Here is anode and cathode. Okay, now water is coming out from this opening. Now at anode, what will happen? At anode, oxidation will take place, so the hydrogen will oxidize as water. So hydrogen will react with OH minus ion, 2 electrons are released, and it will convert into water. Here at cathode, reduction will take place, and this half molecule of oxygen will react with water and reduce with the receiving of 2 electrons, and what it will form? It will form OH minus ion. Now overall cell reaction will be hydrogen plus half molecule of water, it will give the water molecule. Okay, so it is a reaction which is taking place in the cell. Okay, so now this unit has been complete here. Now we will start the next unit, and please continue your practice. Which unit we have completed, please do practice of those units. And now we will do the next unit, that is chemical kinetics. So thank you so much for supporting me, and please work hard, beta, please work hard, so that you can get the good marks, good result, good performance. So please, and thank you so much.